In this video, we're going to be talking about XRP. We're going to be analyzing the price of XRP, basically giving a technical analysis upon price action. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 600 subs. As well as that, before investing into XRP, please do your own research as not financial advisors. So looking on CoinMarketCap, you can see XRP is currently up 1.83% at the time of recording. If we go over to the chart provided, you can see that XRP is pretty much pretty much bearish at the start of the day, and then from then onwards we did have the initial rise towards 0.786, and then from then onwards we did have the initial drop, which therefore took out all the liquidity base below this region, and we pretty much did reach the daily low of around 0.759, and from then onwards we've pretty much started to become bullish again and slowly work ourselves back up towards 0.786, which is really nice to see. So if we go over to TradingView to have a bit more in-depth analysis on XRP to see what is going on, you can see here on the daily chart, you can see that XRP did tap into this very strong demand zone, which is really nice to see, and we did have an initial reaction from this, which did occur in two break of structures. We did have a break of structure from this region and from this region, and then I feel like if we were to draw a Fibonacci, let me just draw a Fibonacci to see and how price would have reacted when it came back. So price did tap into the 0.786 region, and then once price did that, we did have an initial really good reaction, which therefore I felt like if we drop into lower time frame, you could possibly say that this was like an accumulation schematic, possibly even occur. You can see here as or like an inverted head and shoulders, essentially you could possibly say that as well, but so far price action is pretty much respecting the demand for XRP, which is really nice to see. If we just mark this out, and let me just put this as a demand zone, so you can see here price did respect it again. What happened once price did tap into this demand zone, we did have an initial break of structure, and then we did pull back, and then we did have an initial break, which therefore pretty much overall being bullish essentially. I feel like price could definitely reach the $1 mark again. Yeah, we could, $1 mark would be really nice to see, and would mean that we do have a change in character, essentially a change in momentum, hopefully even becoming bullish again, and possibly even reaching the target of a 1.4, which is my next target. So this is my short term, mid-term, and then long-term target would be a new all-time high for XRP, which would be really nice to see. But we just gotta have to wait and see what occurs over the next days. If we go over to Bitcoin, to see how Bitcoin's been doing, Bitcoin's been performing very well on the hourly. You can see we're now bullish again. You can see we did have the initial drop, and then it looks like price did come back up, pretty much induced this demand zone, essentially pretty much taking out all the weak-handed liquidity base below this. You can see here we did a wick below that last bearish candle, which is hopefully we can possibly even respect the zone if we possibly go over to the 3-minute to see what price is doing up in this region. You can see we're having a little distribution schematic possibly playing out, but hopefully the distribution schematic does get invalidated, and we could possibly see some new highs being made, possibly even to the 45k region. But yeah, it was looking good for Bitcoin. As well as that, it will have an effect on XRP, as you know all the coins follow Bitcoin. So yeah, hopefully XRP is bullish over the next few weeks and months to come, and hopefully we could possibly see a new all-time high coming of around, let me go back onto the daily. So yeah, new all-time high, possibly even $2 essentially. Let's quickly check on the weekly before we end the video. You can see here, yeah, we've started to have a change in character. Essentially, there's a demand zone which was pretty much respected, and really looks like price will be starting to reach the $1 mark or even higher essentially, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 600 subs, and peace.